Hi everyone, welcome back to English speaking journey. So today is the fifth day of 30 days new word learning challenge. In this challenge, I daily bring new word and professional word for you. The first word is respiratory. Respiratory meaning is related to or affecting the breathing. Where it's related to breathing or any air, so that places you can use this word. For example, air pollution is a major causes of respiratory disease like asthma. Next, cognizance. Cognizance is a very common and professional word. So you can realize many people are using this word very frequently. This meaning is awareness, knowledge, or understanding of something. For example, I didn't seem to have cognizance of how much time we were wasting. Next, reluctant. Reluctant means unwilling or hesitate to do something. For example, I'm reluctant to ask for a favor, but I'm really stuck here. Whenever something is stopping to do, so that place you can use this word compulsion. Compulsion is also a very common word. If you are not using, you started to using after this video. It meaning is strong irresistible urge to do something, means you have the lots of curiosity to do. For example, I don't know why, but I have this compulsion to check my phone every 5 minutes. Consolidation. Consolidation meaning is process of combining something. Doesn't matter that is a time, days, task, anything. For example, I am consolidating all my vacation days so I can take a long trip this summer. So this is very common. Exhibited. Exhibited means to display or show something. If you have the talent or any art gallery or any show, every places you can use this word. I always exhibited my best work during meeting to show I am on top of this thing. Next, grapple. Grapple means to struggle, or you can say wrestle with the something either physically or mentally. He is grappling with the decision to move to new city for his job. So whenever you are struggling to take the clear decision, that places you can use. Thank you for watching.